Hi, I'm Beat from IBS in Switzerland, and I show you the new dual battery kit for the Ineos Grenadier. What we have here is the kit what we have developed, and I show you what is in there. It's quite a complete system what we offer here. It has a full manual what makes the installation as easy as possible with a lot of pictures. We have a technical wiring diagram what makes understanding quite easy. We have all kind of different modules what is all nicely labeled, and in the center of the box here we have the dual battery kit with the DBM, the IBS relay, and the unit what comes into the dash, what is the IBS-DBS module, what many people know. We have two options what we can offer to have installed. One is the kit with the DBM20A, what we have here with the blue writing, this is without solar. And then we have the DBM20AS, this is with the green writing here. This includes also 150 watt solar input. An additional option is power input output 400 amps, what is going to be installed on the seat console rear door passenger side. So this offers a power port for 100 amp in and out. So that's quite practical for compressors, inverters, chargers, external solar, whatever is additionally installed in the car. So I grab the unit here and we walk around the car and I show you how it looks inside. So this is going to be installed at the rear here of the Ineos. This is here with the seat away. So we see here all the technical installation. Here is the fuse box side, over there is the auxiliary battery, and in the center is at the moment the CTEC dual battery system. So the IBS system, what I have here in my hands, is going to be installed inside in the spot where the CTEC module is. The reason why the IBS system is being the replacement for the CTEC is with the CTEC system you don't have the manual link start function. You cannot do reverse charging from the auxiliary battery to the starter battery, and with the CTEC there is no winch support. With the IBS system all these three very important functions is part of the system, as people know it already for the last 30 years. So this is the kit, how it is going to be installed. The kit is made that it can be one-to-one replacement. All the power wiring, everything is included, so there is no need for doing any crimp work or fiddling around. And as auxiliary battery, an IBS 100 amp hour lithium battery can be installed. Thanks for watching. See you next time.